If your TikTok effects are not showing or the effects option is missing, here are a few solutions to fix the issue. The first step is to open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and check if your app is up to date. If an update is available, tap the Update button and wait for the process to complete. Next, go to your device's settings, then navigate to General greater than iPhone storage. Find TikTok, tap on it, and select Offload App. Once the app is offloaded, reinstall it by tapping the Reinstall button. If the issue persists, open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Free Up Space option and clear the cache and downloads from there.